I'm Nnzeella. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a teeny tiny DIY which is super cute, super trendy, and I've been seeing this DIY all around Instagram and I've been loving it. These are the clips I made, which I will be showing you guys how you can also make it in affordable ways. These are the clips I will be DIYing. For the first clip, I will be taking some of the pearls. I think these pearls are really cute and really unique, and this has something like florally holographic effect on it, which I really like, and I think it's quite unique as well. First, I'm going to use hot glue and glue down the pearls on it. Yes, that's it guys, that's it. It's quite easy, right? I know my camera is not focusing. I'm going out of focus. Please forgive me. It's ready, guys. Now for the second clip, I will be using some of the mirrors and some of the studs, stones, which I think looks really cute and really blingy, if that's a word. I will be doing the same. I'm gonna use hot glue. You can use any kind of glue. I think hot glue is quite easy, like it dries really fast, but it kinda is messy, so I will suggest you to use something like E6000. So I tried some 2 clips and I think this turned out really cute and really blinky, really charming. Now for the third clip. Now I'm going to use the regular pearl which you can get on the market, and I am repeating the process again by hot gluing the pearls. Now for this clip, what you have to do is you have to layer the pearls, because it will create like a 3D effect, you know, like the will give you the volume. So what I'm doing is layering the pearls one after another, because it will make it really nice in my opinion, as you can see in the clip, right? And my short hack is to use a hair dryer, because the glue will not be messy and it will not come around.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers.
If you want to see more DIY videos on future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button to see or to get updated, because your girl has no schedule, like she posts whenever she wants. Because I always plan like 3 videos. Now I posted 1 I have planned for the next week and for the next week. But I don't know what I will be doing later. Like, you know, so trust me, I will be posting, so you will not be disappointed. Trust me. And also, if you want me to create any kind of DIYs, please do message me, because your messages are what makes me inspired to do my video. And also for next week, I will be doing outfit DIY, which I think it's really turned out good. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to know when I post that video. Just imagine that I look cute. Whatever. Please subscribe to my channel.